Alright, this is a quick update on that grow light stand that I made the video about a while ago, and I just want to show you that I do have a bug problem that came from the first bag of Miracle Grow potting soil that I bought at Country Max. All of a sudden everything started popping little bugs out of the actual little planters, and I'll show you how I solved that in a second. But you can see I did add another shelf here off the side of this rack and another grow light because I needed a little bit more space, and that was a real easy thing to do. I just stuffed made some pieces of ash that fit in there, and the onions are down there on the bottom. They're just slowly coming along like they always do, and these lights seem to be doing a wonderful job with the plants. Everything is germinated now, starting to grow and starting to look really good. But as I said, I ran into a problem with that first potting soil, and it started spreading to everything else. So I did find these little things here I'll put a link to in the description that seem to have solved that. But these Barrina grow lights really, they do seem to be working great, and they seem to be, a good level of light for what I'm doing here. So I'm real happy with them. I'll put links down below to them too with a discount code. But everything is doing good. And these are some seeds I just started that haven't popped yet. And you can see I got rid of all the old styrofoam cups this year. They were 10 years old, getting broken up and falling apart and stuff. So I decided to replace them with some good pots off of Amazon and new trays and stuff that make everything nicer. But everything is it's doing good. It's germinating. I got some little sticks in there to tie them up to when they get a little bit taller, and I think I really think this stand worked out great, and it's allowing me to just move everything around to get at it, water it, and everything else. So, and you can see it really does hold a lot of starts here, and that sweet potato still isn't doing anything. And up on top of that rack, I was able to put all my seed carriers and seed plant things and extra seeds on the tray there. And these are things that I bought. They say they're for fruit flies, but they actually turned out to work for the dirt gnats, or whatever you want to call them, that I got. And just to have a sticky stuff behind that white paper that gets peeled off on both sides of them, and you just stick them in the pot there, and I couldn't believe how fast they started accumulating, those little dirt gnats, or whatever you want to call them. So there you can see. But anyhow, I just wanted to do a quick update and let you know how those lights were working out and how everything was doing. And so far the only problem is those little bugs, which I seem to have solved right about now. So, I'll do another update when things take off and start growing a little better. But this is what it's at now.